While many people worry about climate change or environmental degradation as the most significant threats to human survival, they often overlook an even greater danger looming from beyond our atmosphere. Outer space, with its asteroids and comets, has repeatedly altered Earth's history, bringing catastrophic changes. One need only recall the asteroid impact 66 million years ago that wiped out the dinosaurs and turned Earth into an inhospitable wasteland. These events may seem distant and improbable, but they are more relevant than most realize. NASA maintains a list of potentially hazardous asteroids and comets, including 4 that could collide with Earth in the coming decades or centuries, potentially triggering apocalyptic scenarios. The asteroid named 1998-02 is a stark reminder of the unpredictable danger posed by these celestial objects. Discovered on July 24, 1998, by astronomers in the Near-Earth Asteroid Tracking (NEAT) program at Hawaii's Haleakala Observatory, 1998-02 is one of the largest potentially dangerous asteroids. Its brightness makes it easier to observe compared to other asteroids, which often evade detection due to their small size and dark composition. Measuring approximately a mile in diameter, this asteroid is large enough to wipe out an entire nation and cause global environmental disasters. Asteroid 1998-02 has an eccentric orbit that brings it alarmingly close to Earth. When it came near our planet in 2020, it stayed at a safe distance of 6.3 million kilometers, allowing astronomers to study it without concern for an immediate collision. Observations from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico even revealed the asteroid's shape and rotation, with some images humorously showing a resemblance to a respirator mask, a fitting metaphor for Earth's fragile existence amid cosmic threats. Despite its current classification as harmless, the orbital movements of 1998-02 are expected to change over centuries, potentially putting it on a collision course with Earth. Earth's history is littered with evidence of asteroid impacts that have reshaped its environment. The asteroid that struck off the coast of Mexico 66 million years ago had a diameter of about 9 miles. Its collision caused immediate devastation within thousands of miles, triggering global tidal waves, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and a toxic atmospheric mixture that led to long-term climate changes. The catastrophic event wiped out 75% of all species, including the dinosaurs, and permanently altered Earth's evolutionary path. Even smaller asteroids can cause significant damage. The Chelyabinsk meteor that exploded over Russia in 2013 was only 60 feet wide but created a shockwave powerful enough to injure over 1,500 people and damage thousands of buildings. Asteroids like 2019 OK, which passed Earth at a distance of less than 43,000 miles in July 2019, are classified as city killers due to their potential to destroy entire urban areas. The fact that this asteroid was discovered just one day before its closest approach highlights the unpredictable nature of these threats. To estimate the threat posed by known asteroids, astronomers use the Palermo Technical Impact Hazard Scale, which evaluates factors such as impact risk, destruction potential, and time until a possible collision. Here are the top 4 most dangerous asteroids currently known. While negative values on the Palermo scale indicate a reduced probability of impact, the possibility remains. These asteroids' orbits will continue to be monitored for changes that could bring them closer to Earth. The question remains, what can humanity do if a destructive asteroid is discovered on a collision course with Earth? Several defense strategies have been proposed, each with its own set of challenges. This involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid at high speed, deflecting it from its trajectory. NASA's DART, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, mission successfully tested this method by targeting the asteroid Dimorphos. A spacecraft could use its gravitational pull to gradually alter an asteroid's course. However, this approach requires significant lead time to be effective. While Hollywood films like Armageddon popularized the idea of destroying an asteroid with a nuclear bomb, experts warn that this could create multiple smaller fragments, each with its own destructive potential. These experimental methods aim to change an asteroid's trajectory by using sunlight or focused laser beams to heat and vaporize part of its surface, creating a small thrust. Detecting asteroids early is crucial for implementing any defense strategy. Observatories like the Haleakala Observatory in Hawaii and the Catalina Sky Survey in Arizona play a critical role in identifying near-Earth objects. Additionally, Space missions like ESA's Rosetta and NASA's OSIRIS-REx provide valuable data on the composition and behavior of asteroids and comets, aiding the development of future defense technologies. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is not immune to mysteries. Reports of transient lunar phenomena, TLP, such as unexplained lights and color changes on the lunar surface, date back to the 6th century. Scientists attribute these phenomena to natural causes like gas emissions, but conspiracy theories persist about alien activity on the Moon. One intriguing account involves Apollo 15 astronaut James Irwin, who captured images of what some believe to be a flying saucer hovering above the lunar surface. NASA's official explanation dismissed the object as a reflection or rock, but the shadow it cast suggested otherwise. Similar sightings have fueled speculation about extraterrestrial bases on the Moon. Despite advances in astronomy and space exploration, the mysteries of asteroids, comets, and lunar phenomena continue to captivate humanity. Whether it's the potential annihilation posed by a rogue asteroid or the enigmatic lights observed on the Moon, these cosmic puzzles remind us of our place in the universe and the need to remain vigilant against threats from outer space. The inevitability of a major asteroid collision has led to various international efforts aimed at planetary defense. NASA established the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, PDCO, to monitor potential asteroid threats and develop response strategies. One of its primary responsibilities is to issue warnings and work with other agencies to mitigate impact risks. Similarly, organizations like the European Space Agency, ESA, have launched programs such as the HERA mission to study the aftermath of asteroid deflection tests. The collaboration between nations is critical, as a catastrophic asteroid impact would affect the entire planet. For instance, the International Asteroid Warning Network, IAWN, facilitates information sharing among space agencies, ensuring that any detected threats are addressed promptly. This level of cooperation underscores the importance of global unity in the face of cosmic dangers. Predicting an asteroid's path involves complex calculations that account for gravitational interactions with planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Even slight deviations in an asteroid's trajectory can result in vastly different outcomes over time. To improve prediction accuracy, astronomers use advanced telescopes equipped with state-of-the-art imaging technology. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to begin operations soon, promises to revolutionize asteroid tracking with its ability to survey the entire sky every few nights. However, uncertainties remain. Non-gravitational forces, such as the Yarkovsky effect, caused by uneven heating of an asteroid's surface by the Sun, can alter its orbit. Understanding these forces requires detailed studies of an asteroid's physical and thermal properties, which missions like OSIRIS-REx and Japan's Hayabusa 2 aim to provide. Raising public awareness about asteroid threats is as important as developing technical solutions. Misconceptions about asteroid impacts often lead to fear-mongering or complacency. By providing accurate information through educational campaigns, scientists can help people understand the risks and the measures being taken to address them. Events like Asteroid Day, held annually on June 30th, serve as platforms to engage the public and inspire interest in planetary defense. Additionally, popular media plays a significant role in shaping public perception. Films like Deep Impact and Don't Look Up highlight the potential consequences of asteroid impacts, albeit with varying degrees of scientific accuracy. While these movies often dramatize the scenarios, they underscore the importance of preparedness and the value of scientific expertise in addressing global challenges. Recent advancements in technology have opened new avenues for studying asteroids. CubeSats, small. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.